conformity and interoperability in technology is something that affects us all, but it's something that is the main job of Malcolm Johnson, who's director of the ITU's Standardization Bureau. Could you give us some idea of what work the ITU is doing in this direction?
Many developing countries have a problem with products coming into their market that purport to meet ITU standards, but in fact don't, and are poor quality products. And of course, many developing countries, they don't have the means to test these products. So we set a program in place to address this in response to this concern. And we have created a database where vendors can place their products that have been tested to ITU standards, and it'll be a public database.
And so that's great for consumers because it means that they can buy something and they know that the other black boxes they buy work together.
Exactly, yeah, that's it. I mean, we've done 2 events so far on IPTV. This is going to be a huge market. And so we don't want people going out buying incompatible equipment from different manufacturers.
There seems to be a multitude of standardization authorities or competing standards bodies that can be very confusing for the consumer because they can just see a long list of standards bodies. Is there any sort of move towards bringing all these together?
It's a major concern of the industry. We have a Chief Technology Officers group, and this was the main concern that came from them, was they're sending people to 80, 90, 100 different standards bodies. Some of them are competing. It's a competitive field. ITU is the only truly international global standards body, and we should have a collaborative and a cooperative relationship with these other standards bodies rather than to have them competing with us. So this is a concern that we will be addressing in a meeting of the CTOs the week after this conference finishes.